Welcome to Viva la Vida, your ultimate guide to exploring southern Spain's beauty, culture, and hidden gems. Cadiz, the sparkling gem of Spain's Andalusian coast. If you're wondering how to make the most of a single day in this historic city, we've got you covered. From sun-kissed beaches to ancient fortresses, let's embark on a journey through time and tapas. Morning, a grand entrance. The best way to start your day in Cadiz is by making a grand entrance at the Cadiz Cathedral, a true icon of the city. This architectural masterpiece, often referred to as the Cathedral of the Americas, reflects the city's rich history as a hub for Spanish trade with the New World. The cathedral took over 116 years to build, blending Baroque and neoclassical styles in a seamless, awe-inspiring way. Its most striking feature is the Golden Dome, a shining beacon visible from miles away that has welcomed sailors home for centuries. Inside, you'll find soaring ceilings, intricate altars, and a serene atmosphere that feels timeless. But the real highlight is climbing the Poniente Tower. The ascent is a bit of a workout, but trust me, the 360-degree views from the top are worth every step. From up there, you'll see the shimmering Atlantic Ocean, the winding streets of the old town, and the sprawling plazas, all bathed in the soft morning light. It's the perfect introduction to the magic of Cadiz, and a view that will stay with you long after you've left. Mid-morning, lost in time. Mid-morning in Cadiz is like stepping into a living museum, where history and charm intertwine at every turn. Start your journey by getting wonderfully lost in the maze-like streets of the old town, a vibrant area that has retained its authentic Andalusian soul. Each alleyway is filled with character, balconies draped with flowers, brightly painted shutters, and the distant sound of a flamenco guitar. Be sure to make your way to Plaza San Juan de Dios, the heart of the city, surrounded by historic buildings and bustling with life. This square is perfect for people watching and soaking in the local vibe. Then head to the Mercado Central, Cadiz's bustling market and a true sensory delight. The rows of colorful stalls overflow with fresh produce, seafood straight from the Atlantic, and artisan goods. Here you can sample local snacks like freshly fried pescado or even pick up a souvenir. As you explore, you'll find churches, quaint plazas, and architectural gems that offer glimpses of Cadiz's rich past. This mid-morning wandering is a time to embrace the city's rhythm, where history feels alive and every corner has a story waiting to be discovered. Lunch. Flavors of Cadiz. Lunch in Cadiz is not just a meal. It's a sensory experience that immerses you in the vibrant culinary culture of Andalusia. Head to the lively Plaza de las Flores, where tables spill out into the square, buzzing with locals and tourists alike. This is the perfect spot to indulge in a variety of tapas that showcase the fresh seafood Cadiz is famous for. Start with tortillitas de camarones, those crispy shrimp fritters that are as light as air. Add a plate of grilled sardines or the melt-in-your-mouth atún rojo, red tuna, freshly caught from the nearby waters. Pair it all with a glass of chilled fino sherry, the local wine that perfectly complements the flavors of the sea. Don't forget to save room for a slice of tarta de queso, a rich and creamy Spanish cheesecake, to round out your meal. Lunch here isn't just about eating. It's about savoring the moment, soaking in the sunshine, and relishing the relaxed pace of life in Cadiz. Afternoon, coastal charms. Let's take a stroll along the breathtaking coastline of Cadiz, where history meets the sea in a truly magical way. Begin your afternoon with a leisurely walk along the Paseo Fernando Quiñones, a scenic causeway that stretches out into the Atlantic Ocean, connecting the mainland to the Castillo de San Sebastián. As you walk, feel the salty breeze on your face and take in the stunning views of Cadiz's golden beaches and the endless blue horizon. The Castillo de San Sebastián, an 18th century fortress perched at the end of the walkway, is not just a historical site, but also a fantastic spot for capturing panoramic photos of the city and sea. From here, head to La Caleta Beach, the smallest and most charming of Cadiz beaches. Framed by two castles, San Sebastián and the Castillo de Santa Catalina, La Caleta has a unique, almost cinematic beauty that has made it a favorite among locals and filmmakers alike. This beach is a haven for relaxation, so kick off your shoes, feel the warm sand between your toes, and take a moment to soak in the Andalusian sunshine. If you're feeling adventurous, dip your feet in the calm, inviting waters of the Atlantic. As you enjoy the serenity of the beach, imagine the history that unfolded here. La Caleta was once a bustling harbor for Phoenician, Roman, and Moorish sailors. Today, it's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to revel in the coastal charm of Cadiz. Late afternoon, gardens and sunsets. Late afternoon in Cadiz is the perfect time to unwind and connect with the city's serene side. Begin by exploring the Jardines de Alameda Apodaca, a beautifully landscaped garden perched along the coast. These gardens are a peaceful retreat with their elegant fountains, intricate tile work, and benches shaded by palm trees. Take your time to stroll through the winding paths, soaking in the scents of blooming flowers and the soft sea breeze. From there, make your way to the Castillo de Santa Catalina. This 17th century fortress offers not only a fascinating glimpse into Cadiz's military past, but also an unbeatable view of the horizon. As the sun begins to set, the sky transforms into a vibrant canvas of fiery oranges, gentle pinks, and deep purples, creating the ideal backdrop for reflection and stunning photos. Watching the sun dip below the Atlantic from here is an unforgettable experience. A moment where history, nature, and beauty collide. Evening, tapas, and tunes. Return to the old town as the evening unfolds, and you'll find Cadiz truly comes alive after dark. The narrow, cobbled streets buzz with energy as locals and visitors alike gather in tapas bars, taverns, and cozy plazas. Start your evening with a plate of montaditos, bite-sized sandwiches filled with flavorful Spanish ingredients, and some freshly grilled sardines. Cadiz is also famous for its local sherry, so grab a glass of manzanilla or amontillado to savor the region's heritage in a sip. For a quintessential Andalusian experience, head to a tavern offering live flamenco performances. The passion and intensity of the music, combined with the clapping and stomping rhythms, create an unforgettable ambiance. Cap off your night with a sweet treat like churros con chocolate from a nearby cafe. In Cadiz, every corner seems to have a story, a melody, or a flavor waiting to enchant you. Cadiz may be small in size, but it's bursting with charm, culture, and an undeniable warmth that will make you want to linger longer than just a day. Its unique blend of history and modern Andalusian flair offers something for every traveler. Walking through its streets feels like stepping into a storybook, with every plaza and monument whispering tales of its 3,000-year history. Whether it's the golden sands of La Caleta Beach, the mouth-watering shrimp fritters in Plaza de las Flores, or the breathtaking sunset from the Castillo de Santa Catalina, Cadiz provides countless moments to savor. This city proves that sometimes the best experiences come in the smallest packages. Don't forget to take the magic of Cadiz with you. Subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments.